Hello, good morning, and welcome to GGP Help TV. My name's Liam, and I'm your host for this very brief satellite comparison video comparing the 1st of March to the 6th of March 2021. This is Havieron, and we're just looking at some brief changes. First thing we want to dive straight in on, there was a few questions last week or last time about this little black dot here. Is it the portal? Are they opened it up? And I'm afraid to say it disappears. So the answer is not yet. It's possibly a bit early for that. I think someone said they've got to get down 25 meters before they can actually then concrete it and secure it and make sure it's safe before then putting a hole in. So I'm not sure when that will happen. I'm sure there's plenty of people out there that know more about this than me, but not yet is the answer to that one. We've got these two drill rigs here. Now, if you imagine that the portal's got to come in this way, come around, and then do some, we'll call them loop-the-loops for fun. These two, I think about it, I believe these two are basically going to be taking the water that's down there, and they're going to get rid of that entire water table, because there's water underneath it, or isn't there? So they're pumping that out, or going to be pumping that out at some point, to make life easier for them. Again, maybe somebody a little bit more knowledgeable on these things than myself will know, but that's still going ahead. Now, if you think about the ore body and its shape, and I can't overlay Google images, unfortunately, but if you think about it and its shape, and maybe I'll work on something for the next episode for you to bring in on an overlay. The ore body kind of sits in this direction. Maybe it's not quite that big, but they're working on the western edge here with these. You've got one potentially up the north, definitely something up here. And then I quite like the fact we've still got these two out here, because that still means they are looking at the eastern breccia. So the fact that they've not stopped drilling the eastern breccia suggests to me that they are still finding something of value or something to note. Not quite sure how you want to word that, but I'll let you read into that as you would like. So yeah, I'm just going to very, very quickly on the left pull up one from a while ago. This is the 19th of February, hoping it wasn't a cloudy day. Oh, it's Black Hills. We're not looking at that just yet. We just want to have a quick look at exactly what's changed over the last 3 weeks. So, as you can see, there's not much change, which kind of suggests there's a couple of bits that disappear and move out the way. The lots of pausing today. The works obviously has the most rapid expansion, but it looks like they're drilling at depth at the moment, because of the fact there's not much in the way of changes. But we know they're doing 65,000 meters of drilling over the first half of 2021. So we think there's going to be between 10 to 15,000 meters in the results that are out on Wednesday. So that's based on last year's results. And I appreciate some may say, well, we've got 12 rigs on it now. But not all 12 rigs are doing drilling, as you can tell by these ones down here. They're not. They have other duties to do. There is nothing going on, sadly, at Apollo. I am desperate to find you something exciting up here. I'm pretty sure this is just a pool of water that has grown. There's this little box bit here, look, but that's not the same as anything down in Havieron, is it? So nothing to show there. We don't have much on the camps. This looks pretty interesting, though. This bit here wasn't definitely there last time I checked. In fact, this is like the 15th take of this. It's the first time I've spotted it, so I'm quite excited by that. No idea what that is actually up there. That's got to be more to do with maybe earthworks, I think. I mean, this bit here is sewage, so it might still be part of that. Anyway, so this is Scallywag. Now, last time at Scallywag, there was a camp that formed before they did any drilling. And I can't decide if these little splodges that are appearing are more work, people checking it out, or just shadows. Because they're on... Do you know what I mean? Like that's very definitely something. But actually, if the sun's over on this side, I'm not quite sure what time the picture was taken. It could just be a shadow, couldn't it? So anyway, up to Black Hills. I'm not sure there's anything of note to see for Black Hills. Now, for Black Hills, what I look for is this strange rock formation. I assume it's a rock formation. I have no idea, but it looks very rocky. And we're just trying to pick up on any changes that there might be at the moment. There's nothing significant to know, that's for sure. So we're looking for maybe some earth disturbances or some new splodges that appear. And I'm not seeing anything just yet. Not to say there isn't anything, but is Black Hills their first target? We do not know. So we'll have a quick look at the Patterson Range East. Now, I've marked this out. I'm not entirely sure, because I've not yet managed to match it up to anything that I've got, if I'm in exactly the right area. Some wonderful cloud formations with rainbows in. That's what you're into. You can actually see the prism. Yeah. So there's nothing much going on. I reluctantly say that because I was hoping to bring you some headline news. Oh, wow, look, they're doing it. But not yet. I'm expecting to see a camp like what was formed last time appear. You know, very subtly. You don't know where the stuff's got to come from, and you don't even know if it is. They say they're ready to go in March, but do they have the stuff booked in March? Is it Newcrest doing it? It's not Newcrest doing it, because Greatland Gold are leading it, aren't they? So it's more than likely going to be DBH1 doing the work. So I think that having had a tour, there's some amazing cloud. You can tell it's me getting excited about the cloud. Look at that. I think that should be it for today. Because I could spend forever going round and round and round in circles, not showing you very much at all that is any use, and just wasting your time. So on that bombshell, I think I will leave you to it. Have yourselves a great weekend. Try and switch off. Try not to worry too much about the share price. And I will speak to you all very well. Actually, I will speak to you on Wednesday when we are live broadcasting across the web with the latest results. Number 14 this is, I believe. So hopefully we can have some fun with those, and some virtual high fives and a few drinks as well. So thank you very much. Have yourselves a great weekend. I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.